Hey guys, I just want to do this video respond to Patsy. I think her YouTube is Patsy Gamble. I'm not sure. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will write her name down below. She purchased some of my Distash box, and the box was returned to my house. And her I think the address is something is wrong, but I check everything on PayPal. When she sending money on PayPal, I try to send the address that show on your PayPal account. But everything is right, it's like nothing wrong with that. So I'm not sure what happened. But if you're watching this video, please leave me a message or private message me, because I tried private message to you like a 100 times and it's not sent through. I'm not sure what happened. And also I try to send you an email, but it's never respond back. So yeah, I've been waiting for you to respond. And yeah, if you're watching this video, please just let me know. Okay, so I will talk to you later. Bye.